Service, that dapat pa yung center.
Ako na lang commentation.
Kainin tayo yung ano, Rebecca. Let's go. Sino serve? G, bola, Travis, Karen. Jess, mga bola, please. Go guys. Nice service. Hey, can you okay, 2 for 1. Nice to see you. Tingnan. Oh. And started for Team B. Congratulations. Team B service. Nice service. They receive. Tingnan. Oh. Ring out ball. Tingnan. Pinakal na block. Oh. Tingnan ulit. Ring over. Hey. Is it set? Nice hit by Team B. Score now is 3-0 for Team B. Team Gala. Nice receive. Tingnan. Tinalo. Tingnan ulit. Oh! Miscommunication. Nakascore na po ang TC. Score now is 1-3. In favor of Team Delta. Service error. Score goes to Team Delta. Score now is 4-1. Service is Team Delta. Good service. Tignan. Red foul. Score now is 5. EC is 1. Nice. Tignan. Hindi na over. 5-3 for Team Delta. Okay, nice service. They receive. Hey, in over. And still playable. Okay. Okay, siniset. Oh. And naglock. Oh, in over. Oh. Finger lang. Finger. Score goes to Team Charlie. Score now is 2-6. In favor of Team Delta. Team Delta is service in Delta. Oh. Service error. Point goes to Team Charlie. Team Charlie in service. Nice service. Okay, you receive. Team Matt. You over. Team ball for Team Charlie. And up. It's out. Team Delta now is 8 points. Team Delta in service. Nice service. They may receive. Team Charlie now is setting. Ang na-receive ng Team Delta. Oh! Big knock ball. Oh, Team is set. Hey! Nice cover. Oh! Good ball, Team Delta. Oh! Hindi na over. Pero nice save. 8-point after. Score now is 9-3. Leading is Team Delta. Team Delta in service. It's a hard ball. Receive. Free ball goes to Team Delta. Team is set. And this is score for Team Delta. Team Delta score is 10. over Team Charlie score is 3. Team Delta service. Oh, not over. But better. Score now is 10-4. Team Charlie service. Nice service. You receive the net over. Up, the net. Up, good. Still good. Oh! Nice. Team Delta then service. Score is 11-4. Service again. Okay, you over, not over. Pinalo, oh, na-receive. Oh, nice, playable. Sinet, Pinalo, oh, na-receive. Sinet. Hey, over the net. What? Sila na. Okay, Team Delta again in service. Score is 12-4. Oh, in over, Team Volvo, Team Delta. Oh, still playable, still. Oh, nice quick set. Zero tempo yun. Team Delta in service. I think. Okay, over. Oh, vamos. In over, Team Charlie. Oh, are you seeing ang follow? Hit. Skipping. Score now is 14-4. Team Delta leading in 10 points. Oh, nice service, and that is your service days. Okay, service, short service, dan nakuha. Oh, pingpong lang. Oh, pingpong, ayan. Outside. Okay. Start out is 16-4. Leading is Team Delta. Team Delta is service. Okay. I think it's 3-4 for Team Delta. Okay, siniset. And wala po wow. Point goes to Team Charlie. Team Charlie service. Go Team Charlie. Nice service. Good ball. And went out. Okay. Score now is 17-5. Na-receive. Oh, nakakabulupos sila. And na-over naman ng sink. Oh, si Messi boxing. What a boxing. Bakit yun? Team Charlie serving. They're scoring 6 points now. Oh. Good! Okay lang. Nice save. Okay, score is 17-7. Good service. Okay, Sinet. Pinalo. Ni-receive. Sinet, pinalo. It's a miscommunication. I got that. Nice. Service to Team Delta. Oh! Medyo nag-ibig. Okay, sorry now, it's 19-7. Delta. Team Charlie kaya yan. Oh, nice shot, nice shot. Good. Oh, dahan-dahan, dahan-dahan. Yan. Oh, nice. Nice save, nice save. Oh. And went to the net. So, kaya pa ng Team Charlie. Go Team Charlie. Last two for Team Delta. Go service. Nice service. Okay, good. Receive. Oh. Up. Oh, it went to the net again. Team Charlie score 9-19. Go service. Nice service. Okay, the receive. Good receive. Okay, dahan-dahan. Oh, nice. Nancy pa rin. Oh, good save. Oh, nice one. Okay. Still playable. Okay, good. Hey. That is, ano tawag ko? Slow ball. Off. Iba lang tawag doon, off. Okay, next level is Team A versus Team Bravo. Referee will be Team Charlie. Again, next game is Game 7. Alpha versus Bravo. Be prepared to go. That's nice. Team Charlie for referee for the next game. Mag-ready na po ang team